Let's talk about JavaScript data types. There are 8 data types in JavaScript. We'll go one by one. 1, string. 2, number. 3, big int. 4, boolean. 5, undefined. 6, null. 7, symbol. 8, object. I'll walk you through a couple of examples with each one to understand more about data types. Let's talk about one by one. A string is basically any type of text, or it's a series of characters, and we put string in double quote or single quote. Sample, or you can say sample. Either way you can put. You can use both single or double quotes. Next one is number. Any number, and it's just a number. It can be like 335.00. Anything is just a number. This is just a number. And begin. This is a new data type in ES 2020 and can be used to store integer value that are like too long or too big to represent by the normal JavaScript number. Meaning, I can say let x is equal to big int of like this. So this is a 64-bit floating point number, and then boolean is equal to true or false, true, false for conditional testing. Undefined is a variable without value, has a value undefined. You can say let a semicolon. The value is undefined, or I can say a is equal to undefined. Null means nothing. Okay, and then we have symbol. Symbol is an immutable primitive value that is unique. We'll talk more about this later. Then the last one is an object. This object are written in curly braces, and it will have name and value, or you can say key value pair. Const person equals, then I get first name John, comma, last name Doe. This is a person object which has all these key value pairs or properties in it. Please subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications so that you don't miss any video which are helping to learn coding and become a successful programmer. And I'll see you in next video.